Lycan, where's your belly button? Get off the magazine. Where's your belly button? Where's your bell button? No, it's not in there. Not that one, the other one. Where's your belly button, you dog? Lycan. Bye-bye. Where's your belly button? Can you find him? Snooty one.